Do you know what is ALOHA? It's a random access method designed to solve channel allocation problem in the field of networks. It can be used on any shared medium or channel. The original ALOHA protocol is also named Pure ALOHA. It was developed by Norman Abramson and his colleagues at the University of Hawaii in the year 1970. The basic idea of Pure ALOHA is it can send the frame whenever it has a frame to send. Since there is only one channel to share, the channels may collide with the frames of different stations. Now, let us see an example of frame collisions in Pure ALOHA protocol. There are 4 stations and each station sends frames of uniform size. Each station competes with one another for access to the shared channel. There are total of 8 frames on the shared medium. Whenever any 2 frames try to occupy the channel at the same time, there will be a collision. Even if first bit of a frame overlaps the channel with the last bit of another frame, both frames will be destroyed and they have to be retransmitted. Collisions involve 2 or more stations. If all these stations try to resend their frames after the timeout period, the frames will collide again. Pure ALOHA dictates that before resending, each station has to wait a random amount of time after a timeout period. This randomness will help to avoid more collisions. This random waiting time is called back of time TB. The Pure ALOHA relies on acknowledgement from the receiver. When a station sends a frame through a channel, it always expects an acknowledgement from the receiver. If the station doesn't receive any acknowledgement from the station, then again it assumes that the frames have been destroyed and it will resend the frame for transmission. Thus, it guarantees the frame transmission in Pure ALOHA protocol. Hope you have understood the way Pure protocol works. Now, let us recall the key points for our remembrance. Original ALOHA protocol is called Pure ALOHA protocol. Each station sends a frame whenever it has a frame to send. Random waiting time helps to avoid more collisions.